try kill me, you know, dog. And them try kill me, you know. And them try kill me, you know, dog.
Me alone feel like say the youth them nowadays in a Jamaica have a love man syndrome. Cause when you really look on it, yo, you notice say yo them man are willing to risk their life for some man. Mind you, them man not risk their life for them woman, you know. Them not risk them life for them youth, them are none of them thing there, you know. A man them a risk their life with all because a man have a look at change. Them decide to be yes man. You see me? And another thing too, me personally feel like say yo, the youth them in Jamaica nowadays, them too sensitive. Especially like the artists them. Because what you know, in any genre of music, you have always have critics. You see me? So anytime the man them critique the artist, the man them feel like yo, I don't have for them favor. Them feel like say yo, them need to do the vlogger them something when they see them in a public. And that not right. I went since the man them get so sensitive. The type of lyrics them wanna have on the music, but yet still not so sensitive, you see me? That not right. People free for critique their music. If you do a if you critique a man song right now, and the fan base not feel like say yo, you feel talk about the artist. You know the amount of man that send you SYM for a man where them don't even know, and a man where don't even know them. I wouldn't even acknowledge them if they see them. But yet still, I then see a man that up on the internet and this man for man. Man then love man too much man. You see me? Yeah man, cause what go on yesterday with 450 and thing, that never should have gone. Because if you listen to the interview with Jeffrey, me hear him give the man props as an artist, and him say the man make good music, which is true. So the fact that the man say, yo, we not find a hit. I don't see a problem with that because at the end of the day, you know, when man lie, woman lie, numbers don't lie, you know. Yeah, man.